The ultimate guide to IT asset management. A step-by-step checklist. Are you still using spreadsheets and manual methods to track your company's assets? Well, it's time for a change. According to a recent study, 46% of organizations need help with human error when reporting on assets. As your company grows, you need a more mature approach to asset management. But are you tired of searching for assets that should be readily available? It's time to implement the right asset management strategy. Without it, tracking hardware, software, and non-IT assets can be a challenge. According to the State of Small Business Report, 43% of small businesses must track assets and inventory. Enter ITAM. It helps create a detailed equipment register, tracks spare parts, and provides better visibility into your valuable assets. In this comprehensive guide, we'll provide you with a step-by-step checklist for IT asset management. Establishing effective ITAM involves setting goals, forming a team, collecting data, assessing hardware, linking assets to users, customizing dashboards, integrating ITSM, mitigating risks, evaluating ROI, tracking contracts, and implementing ITIL4 best practices. Key features include inventory management, asset tracking, asset lifecycle management, software license management, contract management, compliance monitoring, reporting, and more. Infraon Assets, for instance, offers a robust asset management system that helps companies save time, improve ROI, and ensure compliance. With features like integrated data views, contract management, and compliance tracking, it's a powerful tool to optimize your IT operations. So, whether you're managing assets in real time or seeking enhanced visibility, a streamlined IT asset management process is the key to success. Please take a look at this checklist and these features when choosing asset tracking software for your business. Please read our full blog, The Ultimate Guide to IT Asset Management, a step-by-step checklist at Infraon blog.